In this video, I'm going to do a few problems on solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So let's get started. So here you have, first thing I will advise you to is write down what is a, b, and c. In this case, a is 1, b is 11, and c is 24. And then it's just a matter of plugging the information in the formula. So x is equal to negative 11 plus minus 11 square minus 4 times 1 into 24 divided by 2 times 1. And now you can plug this equation in your calculator. So I will do maybe 1 to show you how to work with this. So you can use alpha y fraction feature here. So that's negative 11. And then you have, I'm going to just do with plus because you can't do plus minus. So square root of 11 square and then minus 4 times 24. And then you have 2 and enter. So you get your answer in this case. But here, if you need answer to be in exact form, then you cannot use the you can't use your calculator in this case. But here you get 121 minus, maybe I did something wrong because I think, oh sorry, I did not enter this correctly because there should be negative here. Okay, but this is how you enter your equations in one step, or expression using calculator in one step. So here you will have 96, and when you solve this, it will give you here negative 8 or negative 3. Okay, you can check it, do it yourself here. So the next one is 3x squared plus 8x plus 4. So again, a is 3, b is 8, and c is equal to 4. So x is equal to negative 8 plus minus 64 minus 4 times 3 times 4 divided by 2 times 3 is 6. So negative 8 plus minus 64 over 6. So you get, this is 0. So you get negative 8 over 6, which is negative 4 over 3. So you get only one root here, which is the repeated root here. And here you got 2 distinct real roots and distinct real roots here. And if you notice here, if this in the bracket is greater than 0, you got 2 distinct roots here. This was equal to 0, so you got only one root here. The next one is 5x squared minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Same procedure, a is 5, b is equal to negative 2, and c is equal to negative 1. So you will have x is equal to negative, because it's negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So you will have 2 plus minus 4 minus will become plus since c is negative. 4 times 5 times 1 over 2 times 5. And then you can solve it for x values. Similarly here, a is 2, b is 1, c is 1. So you will have x is negative 1. I will set up the equation and then you can finish them. So minus 4 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 times 2. So negative 1 plus minus 1 minus 8 over 4. So here this is less than 0, which means there will not be any real root here. Okay. Then the next one is this one here. So solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula, and then here they mentioned it in the question that you express x in terms of p here. So first we need to rearrange this, put it in standard form, which is when you move it, this is negative 3px minus x plus 3 equal to 0. And then you should have x squared term first. And then I'm going to take minus common, 3p plus 1 into x plus 3 equal to 0. Now my a is p and b is equal to negative 3p plus 1 and c is equal to 3. And then x is equal to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this becomes 3p plus 1 plus minus, because it's negative, so it's going to be positive here, minus 4 times p times 3 over 2p. So you will get answer in terms of p. Okay, and now you know how to open this. 9p squared plus 6p plus 1 minus 12p. You can finish it yourself here. So I will do very quickly here. So this is 9p squared minus 6p plus 1 divided by 2p. So this is 3p plus 1 plus minus. This is going to be 3p minus 1 whole square. So when you take out of the square root, you got 3p minus 1. And then 3p plus 1.